Hello everybody. Hey, this one is the latest in my series of heart mosaics. I really enjoy trying to come to terms with the format of the heart. It's quite tricky. What I normally do is put two of something, animals, birds, looking at each other with a border. And I've done over the years, you may have seen the foxes, there were green woodpeckers, there were hoopoes, there were penguins. I do it a lot. When I got 12, I'll make a calendar. Anyway, these are the toucans. And what's interesting, I often say to my students, trust the process, because this looked terribly busy before it was grouted. And the grouting has unified it. And I think it works perfectly well now. These are normally butterflies, these ones. But I thought it would be fun to put them as a border where they double up as butterflies and hearts. Anyway, I'm pleased with it now. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse, which goes like this. These toucans have a predilection, which is clearly more than mere affection, which makes me think it must be true that if one can fall in love, then surely these two toucans can too.